Hey there, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to share with you how to make Ambunu powder, and this is a very short video, so just stick around and let's do this. So what I have here is Ambunu herbs, and I'm going to put this into a blender, and I'm using the mill part of the blender to try and use it to mill the Ambunu herbs. Now, Ambunu is one of these great African herbs, and this herb is a great detangler and conditioner. So, after I put this in, I try to blend it. Now, if you are doing this, you have to do it right. You have to blend it all and make sure it is milled well. So, this is the first meal, and I realized that some of them I have larger particles in it, so I decided to do it for the second time and then wait for some few minutes to see. And this is what I have now. It has really milled the herbs very well, and so the next thing that I do is to go ahead and then transfer it into a different container to be able to sieve it. Yes, so that is the next step. So here I have my sieve, and what I do is to put just a little bit of the Ambunu herb into it, and then make sure that I get the very smaller particles to be able to pass through it to do that. And the reason for this is because if you are not careful, you're gonna get the larger particles in it, and then if you put that in your hair, you realize that you have a longer time washing this thing off. So to be on the safer side, just sieve it. And this is what I have. Ambunu is a very great herb, and this is a dry leaf that contains saponin, which gives it the ability to be able to cleanse the hair. Now, Ambunu is a very effective antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, and also an emollient. Now, this herb is very great because it can help you wash your hair. It can also help you condition your hair. Now, I tried this on my hair, and I use this as a shampoo. I also use it as a conditioner. Now, this powder I have here, I plan on using this as a shampoo, and I'm going to be uploading the video of that in my next video. So make sure that you stick around and do come back to check out that video next week. So this is the powder, very smooth, very nice, and yeah, so that will be it for that. So this is the shampoo that I made out of this. I'll be sharing a video of how I did this next week. I hope you do come around, and I'll also be trying it on my hair for you to see how, and just tell you my general thought about this. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you same time next week. Bye.